Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to fix hot roots. So roots that look a little brassy. I am doing again a small series, you guys, on toners and bleach. So make sure you watch all of my videos. I'm giving good information. By the way, I am not a professional hairstylist, but I've been dyeing my hair for almost 5 years now, and I've made a lot of mistakes and I've learned a lot throughout this journey. So I like to share my experiences with you guys, and maybe this could kind of guide you, but there are definitely professionals here on YouTube, professional hairstylists talking about these type of topics, so you can definitely find good information here, you guys. That's how I learned, and I'm finally happy with my formula. Let's jump in. So there are two ways you can do this, and I'm going to be walking you through very carefully through every step. So one way of doing this is to apply a permanent hair dye. I love using this Redken Cover Fusion. This is in the shade 8NN. Neutral colors for me work best to tone those brassy, yellowish, orangey roots. And I love mixing that with a 10 volume developer, not higher than that, because you want to deposit that pigment onto your hair. So that's going to bring that down. Make sure you go low enough to get rid of all that yellowish undertone or warm undertone that you have. And I like to section my hair into 4 quadrants. You guys, it is very important to do this when you dye your hair by yourself. Work with 1 quadrant at a time, and this is going to ensure that you are not going to miss any spots, and you're going to get an even coat throughout your hair. Alright guys, I am back. So this is how the root is looking. As you guys can see, it's definitely lighter than my natural hair color, and I love going in with a permanent hair dye to bring down that brassy yellowish undertone that I have after bleaching my hair. So I'll put comparisons so you guys can see and how my hair looks after bleaching. After the bleaching process, it's definitely scary looking, I know. And I love, like I said, going in with a permanent hair dye. I don't add more bleach. And very important, the undertone that you use when you go over a bleached area. If you like more cooler tones like I do, I go in with a neutral color, and that's why I choose 8NN. So I always leave my permanent hair dye for about maybe 45 minutes to 50 minutes after I'm done with the application, and the application can take me again maybe 35 minutes to complete my whole head. As you guys can see, I love working with sections, and it takes a little bit more time than if you were to go free-handed, but this ensures that you're going to coat every single area of your head and you're not going to get any, you know, blotchiness or anything like that. So that's why it takes a little longer for me to complete the bleach application or when I apply my hair dye, because I work with sections. But I absolutely love working with sections, you guys. I just get an even coat throughout my hair, and it's the best way to do it. Option number 2, you guys, is toning your hair. So I left that back section looking very warm, as you guys can see if you compare it to the front, and I left that on purpose. And I'm going to show you, as you guys can see, I'm showing you up close. It is looking kind of warm. I mean, I could leave it like that, but I'll show you what I like to do just to bring that down a smidge. I am going to tone my hair. And I always say that if you have something like that, correct it with permanent hair dye like I have here. But the trick is to use a toner that is way darker than what you have here. So I'm gonna go with an 7N. With these REDKEN toners, you definitely have to mix this processing solution for it to work. I always forget to mention this in my videos, which is stupid, but I finally remembered. So you can find this on Amazon or on eBay. If you're in the US, it's going to be very easy to find these. If you're in Canada, it'll be a little bit more challenging, and the prices are just crazy in Canada. So if you have the chance to travel to the US, or I don't know, visit a family member, definitely purchase this while you're there because they are so worth it. So I'm going to be mixing my 7N, and let's see, 7N, I like to mix shades, so I think today I'll go with the 7N and the 10N. So I'm going to mix 7N, an ounce of 7N, and I don't have much of the 10N, so I think I have maybe half an ounce of the 10N, and I'll mix half an ounce of 9N because I don't have much of the 10N. So I have 2 ounces in total of toner, so I'm gonna mix in 2 ounces of processing solution. And again, you guys, I am sectioning my hair again, 4 quadrants. When toning, when applying hair dye, I always like to work with sections. Once again, you get an even coat, you don't miss any spots, and yeah, it is just way more easier to go in section at a time than just going free-handed and just guessing where you're putting that toner on your hair. Alright guys, so I am done applying the toner and I'm going to leave this for about 15 minutes and I'm going to wash up and show you guys how the root looks like. Alright guys, I am back. I washed off the toner and this is what my root looks like. So as you can see, it really helped tone down that warmth I had going on, especially here in the back. And so I'm really happy with that. I didn't like the color I had before, so I'm happy I went in with the toner. It gave me a nice color, as you guys can see. I should have, you know what, next time I'm gonna apply the toner on these ends, the dark ends, just because it looks a little warm. I left the toner here in the back for maybe half an hour, and the top I left it just for 15 minutes. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate, write to me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them, because you guys know I hate reading comments. I don't know why, it stresses me out. And I shouldn't, because you guys said you guys are trying to communicate with me and I'm not looking at my comments. Anyways, yeah, like I said, comment down below if you have any questions, you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if I mentioned, I'll link all the products down in the description box, you guys. And I'll link all of the videos that I'll be posting as well. So there you go, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video.